Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones Creative Zen Pro with using your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to click to add a widget, so just press and hold on empty space and then click plus or edit. Then scroll down, click on batteries and now choose the best widget for you. Let's say that's okay for me, then click add widget. And we can check a battery level. And the second option is to use an application. So just open it and right here at the top we have a battery level. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.